Tesla rolls out Powerwall 3 optimized for ease of installation and high power. Tesla launched Powerwall 3, which is optimized for ease of installation, high power, according to Elon Musk. The single improved product can serve as an uninterruptible power supply for most homes. Tesla has released the third generation of its home energy storage product, Powerwall. The company did not announce it in advance, but simply began installing improved systems for its customers. Tesla Motors Club TMC member Andy 92782, who received the installation of Powerwall 3, shared some details. According to an installer in South California, this is only the third Powerwall 3 he has installed. This means that their deployment has only recently begun. Measurement of the unit is about 43 x 24 x 7 inches, which is about 2 shorter, 6 narrower and 1 thicker compared to the second generation. The circuit breaker in the backup gateway to that connects to the Powerwall 3 is 60A. A post on X about this installation also caught the attention of Tesla CEO Elon Musk. He wrote that Powerwall 3 is optimized for easier installation and higher power, meaning the third-generation single Powerwall can serve as an uninterruptible power supply for most homes. This step is great to ensure uninterrupted operation even during power outages. PW3 is optimized for ease of installation, high power, which means that a single Powerwall can serve as an uninterruptible power supply for most homes. Powerwall is an integrated battery system that stores your solar energy for backup protection, so when the grid goes down, your power stays on. Your system detects outages and automatically recharges with sunlight to keep your appliances running for days. With the Tesla app, you can monitor your solar energy in real time. Set your preferences to optimize for energy independence, outage protection, or savings. Control your system from anywhere with remote access and instant alerts. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.